Here's a 2016 Ford F-150 Crew Cab, 14,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in gray. Really nice truck here with super low miles for the year, only 14,000 on a 16 model. Really showroom-like quality and condition here. Just going to go over a couple of the highlights. The first I want to say is this vehicle does have the chrome package. You can see that with the 5-bar chrome grille, which is different than standard. Also, you got your chrome bumpers, chrome tow hooks there across the bottom. You get all of that with the chrome package. You get your halogen headlamps there. You also have your integrated halogen fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. It does have the Ford factory bug shield here to help protect the hood from chips. A nice accessory add option there. So we continue around to the side. Another option that you get with the chrome package is this big 5-blade 18-inch chrome plated wheel. Now this is on Goodyear Wrangler tires. These tires have plenty of meat, probably 9, 10, 30 seconds, 3/4 tread or better. Also, as you look in there, you can see a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Now this is the 40-20-40 fold down center console split bench seat. What's really nice about that, it does give you the ability to travel and carry 6 passengers versus 5. Most of your vehicles in the premium trims have a full console, which only gives you 5 passenger seating. This truck you can squeeze 6 in if you'd like. Also want to show you it does have a full power passenger seat, including lumbar. It's another upgrade that a lot of trucks don't have. Now this is in the midline segment. You can see we do have light gray cloth covered seating, dark charcoal carpeting. We do have a 2-tone dash there. We continue throughout the door panel here, but really a classy and clean looking interior. Also want to show you a couple other options you get with that chrome package. You get the chrome 5-inch flat door-to-door running boards. You also get chrome door handles, as you can see here, all the way around, and tailgate handles. Now I want to show you, this is actually the short box, so it's 145-inch wheelbase, 5.5 foot bed is your box size. Again, matching Goodyear tires, about the same depth as before, and again you can see that 18-inch chrome plated wheel is in very good shape. Also want to give you a shot of the frame rail in here. You can see no oxidation at all on that frame, just flat factory black paint. You do get a chrome exhaust tip on the chrome package as well, and as you can see, this has Ford mud flaps all the way around. It also has your vent visors to match that Ford factory bug shield. This is all factory accessories. Let's continue around to the back. Again, we got the integrated sensors for your park assist. On top of that, we also have the factory backup camera. Now as we drop the tailgate here, you can see it has a drop-in bed liner, plastic bed liner to protect the bed. Continue around to the other side. Again, just want to show you the quality of the wheel. No scuffs or scrapes. Again, tire depth the same. Goodyear Wranglers all the way around. And show you that frame rail as well. Also, you can see a brand new spare tire underneath there. But zero oxidation on the frame rail. Give you a shot from the driver's side rear. But you can see how extremely spacious that interior is. Extremely large on the crew cab. Also, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Good looking and spacious interior there. Also, all Fords give you the ability for the combo entry exit. Allows you to leave the vehicle running and climate controlled while you're out running a quick errand. And you can see here again, full power seat on the driver's side, including lumbar as well. Now, before I get into the interior, I like to show you the keys. We got 2 integrated key fobs. And as you can see, it is equipped with the factory remote start, another nice feature. Your locks and your mirrors, excuse me, your windows, your mirrors, and your locks are all located right there on the door. Let's go ahead and jump in. Start it up and show you the exact miles. You can see 14,284 originally miles. Like I said, extremely low miles for the year. Also want to show you, we keep a copy of the auto history report here on the dash. One owner, no accidents, very clean history. Let's continue the tour here. I'm going to turn the radio down a little bit. We got your fog light buttons there on the left. We got your cargo light button beside it. We got your headlamp controls with automatic headlamp setting right there, and then you have your interior dimmers. Also, this vehicle comes equipped with powered pedals. That switches right there. Got your high beams and turn signals on the left stem. You also got your column shifter here with the sport tow haul buttons on the end, and the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission in the center. Now your configurations for your dash, you can see tire pressure monitoring, your distance till empties, your tripometers, different vehicle diagnostics can all be controlled with that pad there. Got your cruise control to the lower left. We've got your audio controls on the steering wheel to the right. Then we got your Bluetooth hands-free Ford Sync controls on the lower right. Got a downhill descent button right here with your traction control and your four-way hazards. Now this is the big 8-inch touchscreen. As you can see, AM/FM satellite radio. It is not equipped to factory nav, but you do have the ability to pair your phones. There you can see your customizable apps and your different settings. We do have the electronic shift on the fly four-wheel drive transfer case right there. There is your integrated trailer brake controller factory right below that, as you can see. Controls for your radio, controls for your climate. Another excellent feature is this vehicle has heated seats, driver and passenger, so heated cloth seats. Down below you can see your USB, your 12-volt power supply, and your auxiliary controls. We got two cup holders on the back side of this fold down. We also have a little area to keep your cargo. We do have a 12-volt, another 12-volt power supply, and your 110 outlet with ground to the right of that. LED map lights. Got an auto dim on your rear view. No illuminated visors, but this truck for a mid-trim has a lot of options. It's got your remote start, heated seats, which are starting to work quite nicely. Backup camera. It's got it all. Now let's go ahead and take a peek underneath the hood. Another thing I like about this truck, it's got the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost engine. My preference, if I was going to get a Ford truck, would be this engine. It actually gets slightly more horsepower and torque than the 5.0 V8 with a little bit more fuel efficiency. You can see it's extremely clean and quiet. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the battery terminals. Like I said, only 14,000 miles on this truck, so very much looking like new underneath the hood there. Let's shut the truck off. We'll get into the last portion of this video. Now, as I explained, we keep a copy of the auto history report on the dash. Mechanical evaluation is in the glove box. The last part of making an informed decision is cosmetic appearance, which I'll quickly go over with you right now. A couple little chips there on the fender. We do keep owning the cleanest of vehicles and purchase and obtain the cleanest of vehicles. Our standards are high, so this should be a pretty quick part of the video. But we do want to be completely upfront and transparent in all we do. It is a used vehicle, even though it's only had 14,000 miles. We'll probably get a small little scuff right above that emblem there. I don't notice any real dents on that driver's side. If anything, there just might be a very, very tiny one right at the very under part of that rear door handle, but really looks nice and clean there. Tailgate, another place on a truck you typically will find some damage. Nothing there. Everything looks pretty good. Yeah, I did. You might have seen earlier there in the video. We're missing a zero here. The zero's on order, so you'll have a zero. We won't let you leave without that. But the bedside looks fine. No issues there. Really having trouble even finding a stone chip. It's excellent condition, guys. Really, really nice down this back side. No issues on the fender. Small little tiny vertical scratch right there by the headlamp. And of course a few little stone chips across the front face. But nothing really on the hood. The Ford Bug Shield here has done a great job of protecting the hood. It looks great. So excellent, like new car alternative here, guys. Very well equipped and accessorized. I don't expect it to last long. If you're interested, it still does have the balance of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable from Ford to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.